Hello, just a quick one today. I've popped back to the shed to finish the last couple of bits of Ed, and all that was to add some stickers, and the black trim needed painting around the canopy, the dome, and that's it. This is all the paint I used. I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of those, and they're £4 each. And in the spray cans I used 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 20 of those at like £7 each. What a swizz! But it looks really cool, as I'm about to show you. So I came back today just to put the stickers on, and they're all on there, and that really adds to the overall effect, I think. It's really cool with the stickers. Got some down here on my legs as well. So yeah, Ed is now done. Even done the dome, painted the trim black, repaired it as well. So that is legit. Actual jobs are good, and got some bits living in the little box as well for transportation. Only thing they could do is to load it in the van. That awkward moment where you're looking at your thing and you're like, crap, I've oversprayed some black and it's gone onto my thing, and you try wiping it off and realise it's not coming off because it's a freaking shadow. What an idiot. I had a momentary mini heart attack there. So there you go, Ed is all done. Only thing left to do is to load it into the van. And then the big reveal, I guess, will be at the weekend when it is at a Comic-Con. But until then, I'm going to go home and chillax.